Hello, this is Ben from HB Pool, and today I was here to do your plumbing pad. Alright, so we have a big plumbing pad here, so I'm going to start with your pool system. This is your pool system. You have both of your skimmer lines. You have your shallow end line and deep end line going to your pump. From the pump up, three-way valve. This other end is going to be for your backwash. That is not done today, but it's going to be done another time. And then goes to your filter. You have your drain in front. You have the pressure gauge. From the filter, it goes straight to your heater. All right. And then from the heater to a check valve, 45 degrees elbow. And then you have your Fusion Soft going straight to your three-way valve. It's going to separate your waterfall and your return here. On the other side here, you had a pump today, but the pump was pretty much it wasn't the right one. So we're gonna bring back the pump that we used today to do your plumbing. It's the same spec. It's just the back is different. So we'll bring the old one, and then we'll bring the correct one. We'll still be able to reuse the union. All right. So from here we have up your skimmer line to a one-way valve, and then that would be your pump. From the pump it go up to three-way valve, pretty much the same thing for your drain at your other system. And then you have your cartridge filter. From there it does a loop behind to go into your heater. This is the heater, and then from the heater go straight up, check valve, your Fusion Soft, and then here you have your spa mode, and then this is your circulate mode. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We've done a pretty big job. Tomorrow's going to be done. We'll come back and finish it up, and then that's pretty much it for me today. Here you can see everything that for the electrician is into the shed. We also had your owner manual inside here, inside this box, so keep this close to you. And that's pretty much it for us today. Thank you for choosing HB Pool. We wish you a wonderful season. See you next time. Have a good one.